Hi everyone, this is a presentation for the paper KTabulator, Interactive Table Creation Using Knowledge Graphs, authored by Stephen Xia, Nafisa Anzum, Semih Salihoglu, and Jian Zhao from the University of Waterloo. My name is Stephen Xia, and I'll be presenting the paper on behalf of my co-authors. A table is a natural and commonly used data format to organize and share data that captures facts about sets of entities and their properties. Consider a student seeking information about public engineering universities across provinces, or a basketball enthusiast analyzing past draft picks of NBA teams, among many other examples. The need to find or construct tables arises frequently in everyday life. However, many of the table people look for are highly varied and ad hoc, which makes it very challenging for people to find tables on the web that directly satisfy their needs. When relevant tables are found, they are often incomplete and existing systems do not provide an easy way to complete the missing information. As a result, preparing the tables can be a tedious task, requiring manual copy-pasting from browse information or searching for related tables that can be union or joined with existing ones using a spreadsheet software. To address these challenges, in this research, we aim to help users efficiently create ad hoc tables they need by leveraging a knowledge graph. Knowledge graphs store information about individual entities and their relationships, such as politicians and celebrities, and geographical or scientific entities, in some graph-structured data model, making them suitable to be processed by software systems. In particular, we contribute an interactive and exploratory data gathering system called KTabulator that uses Wikipedia and its associated knowledge graph DBpedia as a testbed. KTabulator puts the power of knowledge graphs directly into the hands of humans. In a human-in-the-loop manner, users start creating a table from an entity or pre-existing table in a Wikipedia article and interactively transform these tables by adding sets of related entities as new rows or adding new properties of existing entities in these tables in new columns. Additional entities and properties can be extracted directly from DBpedia as well as pre-existing tables in Wikipedia articles. We now give a quick demo of KTabulator. Suppose you want to recommend some movies to a friend to watch at home during COVID-19, and you know The Dark Knight is one of the movies that your friend likes, so you want to create a table using The Dark Knight as a starting point. We first copy and paste The Dark Knight's Wikipedia page into KTabulator's landing page to get started. On the left, we have the table panel, which currently has The Dark Knight as the only entry of the table. On the right, a list of properties that describe The Dark Knight is displayed, including 2000 superheroes movie. Upon selecting this property, we can add a list of 2000 superhero movies to the first column of the table. To add attributes about the movies to the table, we can click on the edit icon of an empty column. Available attributes about the movies are displayed, followed by a number indicating what proportion of movies has this attribute in the knowledge graph. By selecting Director, we can add directors of all the movies as a new column to the table. After adding the Director column, a list of attribute recommendations is given on the right, including distributors, producer, etc. By clicking on the producer suggestion, we can add the producers of the movies to the table as well. KTabulator also supports adding attributes about other columns. After clicking on the search icon of the Director column, we can now add attributes such as birthplace of the directors to the table. For more details about the implementation, please refer to the accompanying paper. We conducted a user study to assess the usefulness of KTabulator by investigating how people use the system to create ad hoc tables that fulfill their goals. We recruited 12 participants, including 8 males and 4 females, at the University of Waterloo and conducted the study via Zoom. In our study, we asked the users to create 2 tables, the first one being a table containing all the Canadian public universities that have faculty size larger than 100 and are located in cities with population larger than 50,000, and the second being a table of movie recommendations in which users can build a table however they like. Overall, our results suggest that users believe KTabulator is easy to learn and use, and the features to build tables from both knowledge graph entities and existing Wikipedia tables are useful. Moreover, we report participants' feedback to KTabulator in several aspects, such as extracting data, providing guidance, and browsing Wikipedia information. The users also mention several limitations, including better table transformation functions and more data searching capabilities. For our future work, we plan to extend KTabulator in 2 ways. First, DBpedia is a fraction of the publicly available knowledge graphs. There are many other large publicly available knowledge graphs that cover several knowledge domains, such as Yago and Freebase. We would like to extend KTabulator with features to extract tables out of multiple knowledge graphs. Second, we want to make use of other publicly available datasets in the linked open data, which is structured data interlinked with other data. We believe there is tremendous value in putting humans in the loop and facilitating humans to directly access the entire linked data through interactive systems. Thanks for attending the presentation, and I'm happy to take any questions.